A happy and blessed Sunday wishes wonderful founder family. New founders are joining every minute of every day, and how super amazing is that? Welcome to all our new members. We are all so privileged to be aboard the On Passive Express train. Thank you, Mr. Ash. Stay safe and well, everyone. Enjoy the new week.